Namaskaram to all. Welcome to Octaves Online Music Lessons. I'm Ganesh Kumar. In this exclusive video, we are going to discuss some of the aspects, some of the challenges or some predicaments a violin student faces when he opts for online lessons. Generally, we come across a lot of questions, queries from the student parents. How to tune the violin, what brand violin we need to buy, and how to tune it yourself. So, in this video, we try to make him self-sufficient when he going for online lessons. And when it comes to tuning of violin, along with the Shruti box, you need to buy a tuner. So normally, this slender instrument, if it is tuned to D pitch or wide tone, it sounds very mellifluous, very melodious, very soothing. So let me teach you how to tune this violin to D pitch. So in Carnatic system, we tune our first string, E string. So we call this E, A, D, G. First string should be E string, second will be A, third will be D, and the fourth one will be G, E, A, D, G. So in Carnatic system, we tune this first string to Pa, Madhyasthai Pa, and the second string to D, A, D, A, D. So Pa, Sa, Pa, Sa. So you have to tune the second string to Sa. Sa means D4. And Pa should be A4. And this is A3 and D3. Let me tell you again. The second string should be tuned to, open string should be tuned to D4. First string should be tuned to A4. Third string should be A3. Fourth string should be D3. So now we come to the bowing. This is bow. So hold it like this. And you have to bow just above the fingerboard. This is called fingerboard. I guess you all know this is fingerboard, this is frets, this is bridge. Your bowing region should be between the fingerboard and the bridge. So even though the region is more, so for the better performance, for the melodious sound, you need to bow just above the fingerboard. This is the ideal place to bow. When you go near the bridge, volume will be more, but it won't be that melodious sound. It will be some scratchy sound. And another point you need to know that your bow should be exactly perpendicular to your fingerboard. When it is perpendicular to fingerboard, it becomes parallel to your bridge. Now the bowing. Always start, strike down, stroke down. So, as I told you earlier, you need to have a tuner with you. I seriously recommend those who are going for online lessons, you need to buy a tuner. So when you are playing on first string, it will show you A, that if it is analog meter, it will show you straight line. If it is wagging to the left side, you should think that you are playing little less Shruti, then you have to adjust your finger, moving little up. If it is showing right side, if it's wagging to the right side, moving to the right side, you have to bring down the finger. So it should show you, analog meter should show the straight line. These frets for the major tuning, you need to use the fret. For the fine tuning, you need to use the fine tuner. Only the semitone you can be tuned here using fine tuner, and the major tuning will be done using your main tuner, frets. Initially, you have to bow only one string at a time. avoid touching other strings, and initially obviously there will be scratchy sound. When you're playing repeatedly playing one note for a long time, you will get that smooth sound. Now we are coming to the tala part. So hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Keep watching. Namaskaram.
To watch and learn from more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.